What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries, a mega love shoutout, mga queenies. Yes, look who's back. Yes, I'm back, guys. Yes, for today, we are going to do a Queendom performance reaction video para sa kanilang hugot song sa All Out Sunday. So, nga no, Valentine's na kasi, guys. So, kaway-kaway sa mga single dyan at humugot tayo for today's video. Na-miss ko to, ang Queendom. And of course, na-miss ko kayo mga queenies, kaya mag-ingay kayo sa comment section now na, charet! And of course, if you're first time sa Truly Asia Diaries, sa mga ka-queenies natin, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ganda ng stage. Wala si Julie at saka si Mami Rita. Parang nasa Queendom pa ba sila, guys? Or iba na talaga ang Queendom lineup? They is here. Why can it be?
You're in my dreams. You're always in it.
Na-miss ko yung mga ganyang kantahan ni Thea.
That's the only place
Maring Hana.
where you
Oh, Jessica's not here as well.
and I'm yours only till I wake up. Why can't it
Ang sakit.
be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers?
Love the styling.
Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. Or was it me?
Na-miss ko yan.
Why can't
Oh my God, na-miss ko yun, guys. You know, the Queendom version, yung babaliin nila yung version.
it be? Why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't
Diba?
we be
Maring Hana.
lovers?
Pinugat na rin si Thea, guys.
Only friends. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time. You came along at the wrong place, at the wrong time.
Oh my God!
Or was it me?
Oh my God, sustain! That's how you do it. Oh my God, I miss Queendom. Talagang yung mga reyna ng biritan natin, nami-miss natin ang boga-boga. And I'm so happy to watch this performance for today's video. Grabe, na-miss ko ang Maring Hana and Thea, of course. Grabe, ang biritan na ito. Walang hingahan, ganun. Oxygen level. Who's next? Oh, Aravil's here as well.
Somebody told me you used to love me. Don't know why.
Hindi siya nagpalit ng damit, guys. So, this is all niya. Parang one take ata lahat.
Need a time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come
Naya.
back when
This is Naya, guys.
love is real again.
Guys, is Arabelle the first runner-up of Naya? You can comment down below. Or is it Chloe? I'm not really sure, guys.
Can we be the ones to break it up so you don't have to make
Ito rin ang pupunta ng mga clashers natin. Both champions, guys. Love that Glenn knows from Naya. Uy, gusto ko yan lahat. Ganon.
Just turn around and walk away. You won't have to live like this. No, 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 no. We just have to say
my God. Grabe. I love the arrangement as always. Like, kapag ina-arrange na for Kwenda, may mga ganitong moments tayong aabangan na talaga naman the vocal flair is flaring. Yes. I love Naya's 10 notes. Diba? You can hear that, guys. And then Aravel, iba ang whole tone. Hey! Oh my gosh! Who's next? Oh, Zephanie. 5 lang ata sila for today's video, guys. Kasi bakit solo ang Zephanie?
We often fool ourselves and say that it's
Oh my God, dalagang-dalaga ng Zephanie, guys.
when it's done, we end up being lonely.
Grabe, iba talaga yung boses ng Zephanie, no?
So how are we to know that it just wasn't so? That we just had to let each other go. If loving you is all that means to me,
That thin note was so good. Very soothing.
happiness, so I hope you feel.
Love that.
Loving you must mean I really have to set you free.
Oh my God. Ito na. Iba-vocal flare na tayo. Hey! Wow!
Loving you is all that means to me. We're being happy, so I hope you feel.
Oh, that's how you do it.
The loving you must mean I really have to set you free.
Oh my God! Grabe. Balikan nga natin ang very light. I love that part. Oh my God. Zephanie.
Loving you must mean I really have to set you free.
Sustain. Hey! That's how you do it. Where's the harmonization of Kwenda? That harmony is really, really good. That, you know what? This is like the very strength of Quindam. That's the core, how they do the harmonization aside from their personal vocals. This is what I love. Arrangement. Hey! Oh my God, love it! There you have it, guys. That is Divas of the Quindam from AOS. Oh my God, what a comeback reaction for me. Nataon tayo sa, mga buwan na mga pusa. Mga sawi at sinaktan tayo for today's video ng Quindam. Grabe mga hugot songs na ito. And of course, what we can say about that performance, as always, exceptionally, sobrang galing. Iba ang execution, iba ang facing, the arrangement, and those red outfits, grabe. I love it. And of course, nakita nyo naman, 5 lang sila for today's video, pero parang 8 yung nag-perform. And walang Mami Rita, wala ang Jessica, Maring Jessica, wala ang Julie. So, anong nangyari guys? Ibalita niyo sa akin bakit 5 na lang ang kwentang for today's video. I-comment niyo yan at magchika tayo sa comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.